Just a quick video on how to put the drawers together. Most of you better do this, it's pretty easy. It's, the only difference is there's two drawer runners, one's a locker, one's not a locker. The dismantle, there's a little lever, just press it and slide it out. On the non-locker side, goes to the right side, and it's the first round hole on the runner, lines the drawer up, runner at the front. Just rip that on, nice and easy. Same on the other side, it's the first round hole. And then just rivet that on. You really only need two rivets, one front and back. These three holes, put the other one in if you want. I like to just give these just because sometimes they end up with a sharp edge, just like to flatten the edge off. Put both the drawer runners on. Then the handle. Try and keep the handle level with the top of the metal. That's a drawer built.